I'm Sandra Coley, and I've been a nurse here at Wilson Community Health Center for almost 30 years. I always say, I said it before, this is the best job that I ever had. And the thing is, I get to see people grow. You know, we're there for you, not just trying to make money, not just trying to get numbers, but we are always there for the patient, and so they won't forget. So we're in the community, for the community, and we're gonna stay in the community. I don't care what happens, we're gonna stay in the community.
I enjoy working in the community that I grew up in. A lot of the patients that I see here, I know on a personal level. I have family members that come here. Most of my family comes here.
I do this work from my heart. I think it is important that all of us walk in a way of understanding. We walk in the way of bettering ourselves physically, bettering ourselves mentally, spiritually, the whole 9 yards. And here, I feel like that we can do that for the community, no matter what background that you come from.
So working here for 7 years, I really became aware of the health disparities with our patient population. How can you maintain good health and if you can't get to your doctor's appointment? Or how do you manage your diabetes if you don't have food in the fridge or healthy food? So working at Carolina Family, it really feels good to know we have programs to combat that and to kind of close the gap on that. And it gives you a sense of pride knowing that you are making a difference.
Carolina Family Health Center is pretty much my home away from home. It's my second family. I spend as much time here as I do with my real family. I love working here with the employees and the patients. A lot of patients I have created a bond with. A lot of them come in, they know me by name, I know them by name. That makes me feel very special that they remember my name, just like it makes them feel special that I remember them by name.
We have a great relationship with our patients. We care about their families. We let them know we care about their families. If we think about it and we know about it on their birthday, we call them, we tell them happy birthday. If somebody loses a family member, we try to call them and let them know how sorry we are, and we genuinely are.
I'm here because I believe in the mission, in the community, for the community. I believe that Carolina Family as a whole really cares about the many lives that exist in Wilson County and the surrounding counties.
I'm a graduate of East Carolina Dental School, and their mission is to put students or graduates back into the underserved population so that we can increase access to care. Working with Carolina Family has definitely allowed me an opportunity to do that, especially being able to go into the migrant camps, being able to go into the schools, going into local community events to be able to just provide resources, being able to provide the education, and just letting them know that Carolina Family is here and this is exactly what we're doing.
Working here and also being a patient, I've learned so much. I think about my health more, and because I want to try to be an example so that everybody can kind of see, okay, she's takes care of her health, go to the gym, and that has changed a lot as to if I wouldn't have done none of this stuff if I was in my previous job.
I always have a passion for whatever I believe in, and my passion was to help these people get better. And once I saw that, when if they come in bad shape, and we start them on medicine, and they take their medicine, and next thing you know, you got a totally different person. Who the person, it's like the shell falls off the people.
I guess that education really touches me when people are able to understand what's going on with them. It just gives me a sense of like, yay, they got it, and then they're willing to make that change. And that's that fulfillment that I get when people are really, really wanting to make their change in their lives with any aspects of whatever it is that they're struggling with.
So Carolina Family does an excellent job when it comes to identifying the needs of the community and allocating the resource to make sure that they meet those needs. Staff is very willing to volunteer for these opportunities. It's great to be able to see just the dedication and the passion of the staff to go outside of these working hours and just impacting the community in that way. And so that certainly gives me a reason to wake up and want to come into Carolina Family and get to work and do what we love.